Hello everyone. Today we will study characteristics of particles of matter. Two characteristics of particles of matter we have discussed in our previous video. Let us start from third characteristics of particles of matter, that is motion of particles. We know very well that particles of matter are in continuous motion. Let us understand this characteristics with the help of example. For example, when we burn incense stick or agarbatti, the fumes in the smoke produced or released from that incense stick move upward and in zigzag pathway. This example indicate that the matter particles are in continuous motion. We can even take example such as when we mix any color or dye to water or indigo to water, the color of water gets changed. In very less time period, that water turn blue, and that is due to intermixing of the particles within the water. This example also indicate that matter particles are in continuous motion. And second one example which we discussed, in which indigo intermix with water or any color or dye intermix with water to give variable change in the color of water, that property is called as diffusion. What is diffusion? Diffusion is intermixing of different particles among each other from higher medium to lower medium. For example, in indigo the blue color is at maximum medium, high content, but while adding it into water, the particles of indigo move from higher concentration to lower concentration, that is in water, where the content of indigo was less, and thus the whole water body color changed to blue. Similarly, if we spray perfume, the fragrance of perfume with very less time period diffuses in a whole room. That is also one of the example of diffusion, where the matter particles of perfume diffuse from one place to another. That is also due to diffusion, movement or intermixing of matter particles from higher concentration to lower concentration. Higher concentration in a sense, when we spray it, that is sprayed on ourselves, but from us it diffused to whole room. Diffusion is least in case of solid, because in solid matter particles are very close to each other, so diffusion is least in case of solid, whereas in liquid matter particles are far away, so very soon they move from one place to another, or they have maximum kinetic energy, they have more kinetic energy than solid. Kinetic energy in a sense, motional energy, and diffusion is maximum in gases. One another example for motion of particle is that particles move in zigzag pathway, which we discuss in case of incense stick. Or one more example for that is when first light ray from window enter to our room, we can see dust particles randomly moving in zigzag pathway. Although during whole day, when whole room is filled with light, we are unable to see that. And that first light ray, when enter to our room, we can see very tiny particles randomly moving. This is also example of that matter particles are in continuous motion. Broveian movement was discovered by Robert Brown, scientist Robert Brown, who first time come to know about this movement when he saw a pollen grain on the surface of the water. Pollen grain, that is released from flower's male part, stamen. Fast moving particles of water hit the pollen grain present on the surface of the water. So pollen grain move constantly in zigzag path. And that time the scientists give this zigzag path movement named as Broveian movement or Broveian motion, because been discovered by Robert Brown. So he saw that when water particles strike to the pollen grain move randomly in zigzag path here and there. So the zigzag path movement of the particle is considered as Broveian movement. So from this example, we come to know that matter particle is made up of tiny particles, and these tiny particles are constantly in motion.